What's good, y'all boy, man? Back with another video. So, y'all know I got the one-piece swords, I got WADO, I got Sandai, and my brother, he has my Shisui one, right? So, right now, y'all see I got WADO with me. I haven't used this sword in so long, even though y'all could tell by the Suka wrapping that this sword has been used a lot, but I've been watching One Piece Wano arc a lot lately, so I was like, dang, I want to reuse this sword. But since I used it so much before and I didn't really properly take care of it before, I restored it as best as I could. But we're just going to sharpen this up, and then, you know, the video y'all will see after this video will be me using this sword cutting again. But at the tip right here, see how close I could get for y'all to see. At the tip, if it focuses, y'all see it's like, it's kind of hooked in, it's curved, because I messed up when I was cutting with it before. But besides that, this is still a good sword, still sturdy, you feel me, like that, not loose. So we're just gonna sharpen this up, get this back to the way it used to be, and yeah. So y'all go hit that like and subscribe, man. Next sharpening video I'm gonna be doing Toshido sword again, because it needs to be resharpened once more. But hey, let's get it. now that we're gonna sharpen it a little bit, let's see if we can cut this piece of paper. As y'all can see, it cut through the paper. You feel me? I'm getting better at sharpening my saws. So next video y'all see, I'll be using this one, testing it out, really seeing if I sharpen it well. But just from these cuts, I could tell I could sharpen it a little more. So hey, I'll do that in my own time. Hope y'all boy enjoyed this video, man. New videos coming soon, new cutting videos, new unboxing videos coming soon. Hit that like and subscribe. Almost at 5K subscribers. Let's get it. But hey, hope y'all boy enjoy. Peace.